ko e metari koula koto ape e whaki whakataha ia pa mo e certificate pe ko e certificate ko ia ko e rekoti who'ou ia i he tauni i he mala e who'ou ko e ni ko TEUFAIVA e tau kamata ai whaki metari tau kamata aki ai lele mita e tahawhi ni mangeau ai junior girls ko e olo aki pa mo e koula, pa mo e certificate o whoaki ia ki a Wikelotu Mate Alona e ua secondary schools. Ko e rekoti minite nima sekone whaono o ini e whituono. First with the gold medals, 1,500 meters junior girls goes to Wikelotu Mate Alona Ewa Secondary Schools. A record of 5 minutes 46.76 seconds. Ko Ewa Moisiliva, Meriame Naitoko Liahona High School. Second with the silver medals goes to Meliane Naitoko Liahona High School. Ko e tolu mo e polonise whoake ka melesiu kolisi tupoutoa. Third, with the bronze medals goes to Melesiu of Tupoutoa College. 1,500 meters junior girls. Malo puno. Tau hoko atu lele mita e tahawhi ni mangeau ai junior boys. Ko e ulo aki mo e koula pa mo e certificate o whakia ka Samuela Masi kolis kotupou minite nima sekone no aua poine whavalu. 1,500 meters junior boys. First with the gold medals and a certificate goes to Samuela Masi of Tupou College, a time of 5 seconds, 0.02.48 seconds. Ko e ua Moisiliva, kia Paula Mapulu kolisi up for all. Second with the silver medals goes to Paula Mapulu of Api for All College. Minite nima poine no atolu. Minite nima sekone no atol poin maunim. Ko tolu pa mo polonise manule meki kolisi up for all. Third, with the bronze medal, Manule Meki of Api for All College. Malo kuno. Tau hoko atu lele mita tahawhi ni mangeau intermediate girls. Ko ulo aki mo koula mo certificate Eleanor North College Queen Salote. Ko taimi minite no anima sekone toluono ko ini menima. First, with the gold medals and a certificate, Eleanor North of Queen Salote College. Koewa Moisiliva, Romay Burke, Kolisi Api for All. Second with the silver medals goes to Romay Burke, Api for All College. Koitolu Mo Polonise, Yen Tama Atoa, Kolisi Up for All. Third with the bronze medal goes to Yentama Atoa of Api for All College. Malo kuno. Tau hoko atu te lele mita tahawhi ni mangeau ai open girls. Koi ulo aki mo koula pa mo certificate laukau wakauta kolisi Api for All. Minite na waono, sekone hongo full point ni wowa. First with the gold medals, 1,500 meters open girls, Laukau Wakauta, Api for All College. Ua Pamoisiliva, Holai Moana Tawaka, Tonga High School. Second with the silver medals goes to Holai Moana Tawaka of Tonga High School.
Oh yeah.
1,500 meters open girls. Second with the silver medals, Holai Moana Tawaka of Tonga High School. Third with the bronze medal goes to Kethi Pani of Takuilau College. Koi tolu moi polonise o Foakia ke Kethi Pani o Kolisi Takuilau. Puno. Lele mita tahafe ni mangeau ai senior girls. Koi ulo aki mo koula pa mo certificate fo aki kia ana lau te au kolisi api fo o. Koi taimi minite no anima sekoni enimenima po ni wanoa. First with the gold medals, 1,500 meters senior girls goes to Ana Lauteau of Api for All College. Koewa Moisiliva, Foakia Kapasepa Veleika, Kolistai Lulu. Second with the silver medals goes to Pasepa Veleika of Tailulu College. Pea koe tolu moi polonise o Foakia kia aunofo vaitohi o Kolisi Takuilau. Third with the bronze medal goes to Aunofo Vaitohi of Takuilau College. Malo, kuno. Lele mita tahafe ni mangeau intermediate boys. Koi ulo aki mo koula pa mo certificate foakia ke sione vea matahau o kolisi apfo o. Koi taimi minite noafa sekone tolvalu poini e onofitu. 1,500 meters intermediate boys. Gold medals, first with the gold medals, Sione Vea Matahau of Api for All College. Koewa Moisiliva, Sione Tonga, Kolis Tupoutoa. Second with the silver medals goes to Sione Tonga of Tupoutoa College. Koe tolu moi polonise, Faleula Fanua, Kolis Kotupou. Third with the bronze medals goes to Faleula Fanua of Tupou College. Malo, puno. Lele mita tahafe ni mangeau ai open boys. Koi ulo aki moi koula, pa moi certificate, foakia kia fusi manu hapai oi kolis Tonga. Koi minite noafa, sekone tolnima, poine ni mafa. 1,500 meters open boys. First with the gold medals goes to Fusi Manu Hapai of Tonga College. Koewa Moisiliva, Pulufu Kaponi Fituafe, Kolis Kotupou. Second with the silver medals goes to Pulufu Kaponi Fituafe of Tupou College. And third with the bronze medals goes to Viliami Poulivaati, again from Tupou College. Pea koe tolu, pea moi polonise, o toe foak pe moia ke Kolis Kotupou, Viliami Poulivaati. Malo, puno. Lele mita tahafe ni mangeau ai ngai timi whakafonua. Koe national men, koe koula pa moe uluaki, koe toko taha pena e lele ai, le peti nonu, pia me he timi whakafonua. First with the gold medals, with the national men, 1,500 meters goes to le peti nonu. Iai ha whafofonga, tau hoko atu. Lele mita e tahafe ni mangeau ai senior boys, koe uloaki moi koula, moi certificate, moi lekot fo ke whakotu, Foakea ka sione tau whiulungaki o korisko tupou, minite no wha, poine whaaua, sekone whaaua poine hiwatol. First with the gold medals, 1,500 meters senior boys goes to Sione tau whiulungaki of Tupou College. Koe ua mo siliva, pae a whinau eua secondary schools. Second with the silver medals goes to Paia Finau of Ewa Secondary Schools. Koe tolu pa moe polonise, Manu Fisi Hoi, Korisko Tupou. Third with the bronze medals goes to Manu Fisi Hoi of Tupou College. Malo, puno. Koe puna maolunga ai intermediate girls, high jump intermediate girls. Koe ulaki moi koula, pa moi certificate, pa moi lekoti, o foakia ka Emily Brown o ex community school. Koe mita taha poine whanoa. High jump intermediate girls. First with the gold medals goes to Emily Brown of ex community school. Koe wa moi siliva, foakia kia Analawaki, korisi up for all. Second with the silver medals goes to Analawaki of Api for All College. Koe tolu pa moi polonise o foakia kia Melaia Polovili o yako maalunga o Tonga. Third with the bronze medal goes to Melaia Polovili of Tonga High School. High jump intermediate girls. Malo puno. Tau hoko atu ke whiauhi puna akau ai junior boys. Junior boys pole vault. Koe ulaki moi koula pa moe certificate, koe rekoti, foakia kia essay, niu TEUFAIVA o korisko tupou, koe mita e ua poini e tolnoa. Junior boys pole vault. First with the gold medals goes to essay niu TEUFAIVA of Tupou College. A height of 2 meters point 30. Koe ua pa moe siliva, al foakia kia Nathan Manua Fetoa, Korisko Tupou. Second with the silver medals goes to Nathan Manua Fetoa of Tupou College. And third with the bronze medals goes to T.O. Wasla of Liahona High School. Pea koe tolu moe polonise o foakia kia T.O. Wasla of Liahona High School. Junior boys pole vault. Malo puno. Whiauhi puna loloa ai open boys. Open boys long jump. Koe uloaki pa moe koula. Pa moe certificate, pa moe lekoti, te vita finau o koristonga. Koe mita e ono, poini e ni mahiwa. Open boys long jump. First with the gold medals goes to Tevita Finau of Tonga College. A distance of 6.59 meters. Koe ua mai siliva, Christopher Tameifuna, Liahona High School. Second with the silver medals goes to Christopher Tameifuna of Liahona High School. Pea koe tolu mo polonise sione tui whangaloka koristonga. Third, with the bronze medal, goes to Sione Tui Whangaloka of Tonga College. Open boys, long jump. Malo puno. Koe puna loloa ai national men. Koe ulo aki moi koula, pa moi certificate o fuaki ya mo sese foliaki. Koe ua moi siliva, toutou o favea, ka koe tolu moi polonise Paula vea. Katoa ni pe me ngahi timi whakafonua a Tonga. Ulo aki moi koula, mo sese foliaki, koe mita e ono, poini e ono ono. Ua pa moi siliva, toutou o favea, koe mita e ono, poini ni manoa. Koe tolu pa moi polonise Paula vea, koe mita e nima, poini e tolu noa. Long jump national men. First with the gold medals, Moses Foliaki. Second with the silver, Toto Ofavea. And third with the bronze medal, Paula Vea. Malo puno. Koe puna maolunga ai senior boys. Koe ulo aki pa moe metari koula. Fataha moe certificate pa moe lekoti. O foakia ka viliami la tapu. Lavenga mali e Christian College. Koe mita taha poini e fitu fitu. Senior boys high jump. First with the gold medals goes to Viliami Latapu of Lavenga Mali Christian College. A height of 1 meter point 77. Koe ua mo siliva Inesi Ahomana Koriskotupou. Koe tolu pa mo polonise Leonaitasi Tuitavake Tonga High School. First with the gold medals, Viliami Latapu of Lavenga Mali Christian College. Second with the silver medals, Inesi Ahomana of Tupou College. And third with the bronze medal, Leonaitasi Tuitavake of Tonga High School. Malo puno. Puna loloa midget boys. Midget boys long jump. Koe ulo aki moi koula, moi certificate, moi lekoti, te vita kuri kefu Liahona High School. Koe mita e wha poini e tolvalu. First, with the gold medals goes to Tevita Kurikefu of Liahona High School, a height of 4.38 meters. Koewa Moisiliva Frank Kaihea Koristonga. Second with the silver medals goes to Frank Kaihea of Tonga College. And third with the bronze medals, Vaingaloti Lavenga Mali Christian College. Koe tolu mo metari polonise Vaingaloti Kolisi Lavenga Mali. Midget boys long jump. Malo puno. Feaui puna loloa ai junior girls. Koe ulo aki mo koula, mo certificate pa mo lekoti, o foaki a ka melai alongani, kolisi Liahona, ako maulunga Liahona, koe mita tolu poini e hibataha. Junior girls long jump. First with the gold medals, melai alongani of Liahona High School, a distance of 3.91 meter. Koe ua mo siliva, loto mo ua talau, ako maulunga Tonga. Second with the silver medal, Loto mo ua talau of Tonga High School. Koe tolu mo polonise, Kathleen Maumalanga Government Middle School, Hahake. Third with the bronze medals, goes to Kathleen Maumalanga Government Middle Schools, Hahake. Junior girls, long jump. Malo, uno. Feauhi puna maulunga ay midget girls. Koi ulaki mo kola, certificate pa mo lekoti, o fuakia kia Ameria hangana o Tonga Side School, koi mitataha poini e wanoa. Midget girls high jump, first with the gold medals, Amelia Hangana of Tonga Side School, a height of 1.20 meter. Koewa mo siliva, ilaisane tukimaka, kolisi up for 0. Second with the silver medals, ilaisane tukimaka of Api for College. Koetolu pa mo polonise, fatafehi sekona of Tonga High School. Third with the bronze medal goes to Fatafehi Sekona of Tonga High School. Midget girls, high jump. Malo? No. Koe feauhi tolosika ay intermediate boys. Intermediate boys, javelin throw. Koi ulo aki mo kola, mo certificate, mo lekoti, viliami pulu kolistonga, koi mita, fahiva poini tahawa. Intermediate boys javelin throw. First with the gold medals goes to Viliami Pulu of Tonga College, 49.12 meters. Koi siliva, moala mesui lavenga malie Christian College. Koi tolu mo polonise Brenton Televave kolisi Tailulu. First with the gold medals, Viliami Pulu of Tonga College. Second with the silver medals goes to Moala Mesui Lavenga Malie Christian College. And third with the bronze medals, Brenton Televave of Tailulu College. Malo puno. Koi tolo shot put ay open boys. Koi uluaki pa mo kola, mo certificate pa mo lekoti, maasi fehoko, ako maalunga tonga, koi mita tahatolu poini etahauno. Open boys shot put. First with the gold medals goes to Maasi Fehoko of Tonga High School, a distance of 13.16 meters. Koewa mo siliva, mafi fakatene o kolistonga. Koetolu pa mo polonise, Paula ulakai o yako maalunga o Tonga. First with the gold medals, Maasi Fehoko of Tonga High School. Second with the silver medal, Mafi Fakatene of Tonga College. And third with the bronze medal, Paula Ulakai of Tonga High School. Malo puno. Koi puna loloa ay open girls. Open girls long jump. Koi ulaki mo kola pa mo certificate mo lekoti. Mele milate a kolo kolista kuilau, koi mitai fa poini e woa. Open girls long jump, first with the gold medals, goes to Mele Milate a kolo of Takuilau College, a distance of 4.22 meters. Koi wamo siliva, Sarah Kauvaka, oyako maalunga Tonga. Second with the silver medals goes to Sarah Kawaka of Tonga High School. Koi tolu mo polonise katokakala moala ako maalunga tupou. Third with the bronze medals goes to Katokakala Moala of Tupou High School. Open girls, long jump. First with the gold medals, Mele Milate Akolo Takuilau. Second with the silver, Sarah Kawaka of Tonga High School. And third with the bronze medals, Kato Kakala Moala of Tupou High School. Malo uno. Ko e whiauhi tolo shot put and midget girls. Ko e ulo aki mo koula, mo certificate, mo metal, mo lekoti. Foaki aki a moala kaloni o kolis kuin salote. Ko loloa, ko mita e tataha, poini e tolfitu. Midget girls shot put. First with the gold medals goes to Moala Kaloni of Queen Salote College, a distance of 11.37 meters. Ko e ua pa mo siliva, hua fonua ako maalunga lia hona. Second with the silver medals goes to Hua Fonua of Liahona High School. Pea koe tolu mo metari polonise Ana Iketau Koriskuin Salote. Third with the bronze medal goes to Ana Iketau of Queen Salote College. Midget girls shot put. Malo puno. Ko e metari fraosi ukfoaki I uloaki foaki metari o e whiau spoti hono hivang o fulu mawha. Ko e midget boys shot put. Ko e uloaki mo koula, frataha pa mo certificate pa mo lekoti, foaki aki a uloka nuku FWC Middle School. Ko loloa, ko mita e ngofulu poini tanima. Midget boys shot put. First with the gold medals goes to Lokanuku of FWC Middle School. Ko e ua mo metali siliva e poki fo'ou taufa korisko tupou. Second with the silver medals goes to e poki fo'ou taufa of Tupou College. Pea koe tolu mo metali polonise mauvite o yako maulunga o Tonga. Third with the bronze medals goes to Mauvite of Tonga High School. Midget boys shot puts. Malo puno. Fra malo atu.
Koe kaui kuna ni ai lele mita toluafe ai senior girls. Winners of the senior girls 3,000 meters long distance run. In first place, winning gold medal from Apfo'o College, Ana Lauteal, establishing a new record of 13 minutes, 11.64 seconds. In second place, with a silver medal from Takuilau College, Tonga Pahulu. Koe koula, I he whiauhi koe ni, o maue Ana Lauteau me Apfo'o College, Siliva, maue Tonga Pahulu me Takuilau College, pea koe tolu mo polonise me Liahona High School, Kestiola Koka. In third place, receiving a bronze medal from Liahona High School is Kestiola Koka. Mari Mari Puno. Open girls, 3,000 meters. In first place, winning a gold medal and establishing a time of 14 minutes and 11.11 seconds is Laukau Wakauta from Apfo'o College. Uluaki Moikoula, Fotu Moitaimi Koe minite tahat fa, sekone tahataha point tahataha, me he kolisi up for o ko laukau waka uta. In second place with a silver medal, Kathy Pani from Takuilau College. Koe ua mo siliva, me he kolisi Takuilau ko Kathy Pani. And in third place, winning the bronze medal, is Kinaleti Manuhaapai from Takuilau College again. Mari Mari, Puno. Intermediate boys, 3,000 meters. In first place, winning gold medal, establishing a time of 12 minutes and 8.85 seconds, is Faleula Fanua from Tupou College. Koe uluaki ieni pia moe metari koula, o lele mita toluafe ai intermediate boys me Tupou College, ko Faleula Fanua, minete pahaua, sekoni e valu poin valu nima. In second place, winning silver medal, is Sione Fifili Tonga from Tupouto'a College.
Mo mea mai ko ofalahet nga mo do ka do.
Koe ua moe metari siliva, ko Sione Fifili Tonga, me he kolisi Tupouto'a. And in third place, winning the bronze medal, is Sione Vea Matahau from Apifo'o College. Koe whika tōlueni mo e metari polonise, aia oku aluia ki a Sione Vea Matahau me he kolisi Apifo'o. Mari Mari, Puno. Open boys 5,000 meters. In first place, winning a gold medal and a time of 18 minutes, 28.91 seconds, is Fusi Manuhaapai from Tonga College. Koe kunaini ulaki moe koula me he kolisi Tonga, ko Fusi Manuhaapai, fotu ai pere kooti koe minite tahavalu, sekone wavalu poin hivataha. In second place, winning the silver medal, is Feki Tufi from Tonga College again. Koe matapule o kufika ua I he whiauhi koe ni, mo e metari siliva, toi maumoia ki he kolisi Tonga, e Feki Tufi. In third place, winning bronze medal, is Viliami Poulivaati from Tupou College. Pea koe whika tōlueni mo e metari polonise, ko Viliami Poulivaati me he Tupou College. Koe kawi kunaeni e open boys 5,000. Mari Mari, Puno. Senior boys 5,000 meters, first place and gold medal going to Tevita Taumoepeau from Tupou High School, with a time of 18 minutes, 41.17 seconds. Koe ikuna, whika uaki metari koula I he lele mita ni maafe ai senior boys, o kumauia ki Tupou High School, e te vita Taumoepeau. Fotu ai pe ai taimi, le kot fo o koe minite tahavalu sekone whaataha poin taha fitu. In second place, receiving the silver medal, is Samuela Ahokovi from Tonga College. Koe ua, mo e metari siliva, o mauia e Samuela Ahokovi pea me he kolisi Tonga. And in third place, winning the bronze medal, is Supamani Lupe Uvea from Tailulu College. Koe fika tolu mo e metali polonise. O alue ki he kolisi tailulu ki a Supermani Lupe Uvea. Mari puno. Senior boys shot put. Koe uruaki pe a mo e metali koula. Fotu mo le koti. Koe mita e tahatolu pointolua o mauia e Feleti Halatoafa me he Tonga College. In first place for senior boys shot put, receiving the gold medal and establishing a new record of 13.32 meters in distance is Feleti Halatoafa from Tonga College. In second place with a silver medal is Elided Falefo'o from Tonga High School. Koe fika ua mo e metali siliva, ma wiki Tonga High School e Elided Falefo'o. And third place and bronze medal receiving it is Saya Pomana from Tonga High School again. Koe fika tolwen mo e polonise, ma we Saya Pomana me Tonga High School. Mari puno. Midget girls long jump. In first place, winning the gold medal from Queen Salote College, Kaloni Moala, establishing a new record with a distance of 3.78 meters. Koe uluaki mo metali koula ke feauhi punaloloa ai midget girls o mauia ki he Queen Salote College e Kaloni Moala, koe mita e tolu poini fituvalu. In second place, receiving the silver medal from Lavenga Malia Christian College is Crystal Seeley. Koe fikaua mo e metali siliva o mauia e Crystal Seeley. Koe whafofonga ia pia me he kolisi Lavenga Malia Christian College. And in third place, receiving the bronze medal, is Fekita Maasila from Liahona High School. Koe fika tolu, mo metali polonise, o mauia e Fekita Maasila, me he ako maolunga Liahona. Mari puno. Junior boys triple jump. In first place and winning the gold medal is Christian Tupo from Liahona High School with a distance of 10.62 meters, a new record established in the upgraded new field of TEUFAIVA. Koe uaki moe metari koula o triple jump ai junior boys of mauia e Christian Tupo me Liahona High School. In second place, receiving the silver medal, goes to Sebastian Tonga from Apfo'o College. Koeua, mo metali siliva, o fuakia ke Apfo'o College, kia Sebastian Tonga. And in third place, receiving the bronze medal, goes to Siosifa Tohi of Tonga High School. Koe fika tolu, mo metali polonise, o aluia ki he ako maolunga Tonga, ki a Siosifa Tohi. Koe kawikuna ina o junior boys triple jump. Mari puno.
Koe hoko senior girls javelin, feauhi tolosika senior girls. Koe uloaki mo koula, Lydia Antoni kolis Liahona. Koe distance mita e wanima poini valtolo. Koe ua pa mo metali siliva, Sani Fetu'u TEUFAIVA Pilolevu College. Koe tolu mo metali polonise Leslie Tawelangi api for all college. Senior girls javelin throw. First with the gold medals, Lydia Antoni Liahona High School. Second with the silver medals, Sani Fetu'u Taufahau Pilolevu College. Third with the bronze medal, Leslie Tawelangi api for all college. Senior girls javelin throw. Malo puno. Kole atu pe ke kapure ako, tau ki whenga pe ke toto oange, ke whakakato e tau ngai polkalama he aoni. Tau hoko atu ke discus intermediate girls. Koe ulu aki mo koula, whataha mo certificate pa mo le koti, Natalia Kaitu'u Tonga High School. Mita e tolua, poin e tolnoa. Koe ua pa mo siliva, Letishna Ahumana, Queen Charlotte College. Koe tolu mo polonise, Amelia Murphy, Tonga High School. Intermediate girls discus throw. First with the gold medals, Natalia Kaitu'u of Tonga High School, a distance of 32.30 meters. Second with the silver medals, Letishna Ahumana, Queen Charlotte College. And third with the bronze medal, Amelia Murphy of Tonga High School. Malo puno. Shot put intermediate boys. Koe ulu aki mo koula, mo certificate, mo le code fo, koe wikelotu afeaki, kolisko tupou, mita e tahatolu, poini e wahiva. Koe ua me metali siliva, sonatane kaufusi, kolisko tupou. Koe tolu mo metali polonise, Brenton Televave, kolistailulu. Intermediate boys shot put. First with the gold medals, Wikelotu Afeaki of Tupou College, a distance of 13.29 meters. Second with the silver medal, Sonatane Kaufusi of Tupou College. And third with the bronze medal, Brenton Televave of Tailulu College. Malo Puno. Discus throw open boys. First with the gold medals goes to Mafi Fakatene of Tonga College, a distance of 39.03 meters. Second with the silver medals, Paula Ulakai of Tonga High School, and third with the bronze medal, Enelepo Uhila of Api for All College. Feauhi tolo discus ay open boys. Koe uluaki mo metali koula, Mafi Fakatene kolis Tonga. Mita e toluhiva poini noa tolu. Koe ua metali siliva, Paula Ulakai, ako maulunga Tonga. Pea koe tolu mo metali polonise, Enelepo Uhila kolis Up for All. Malo puno. Whamalo atu ke kaupure ako, ko enelava ia ai whaki metali honoua, o whiauhi spoti hono hiva ngofulu mawha. Tau teu atu e taimini ki e whiauhi lele mita te au,